Welcome back to Teacher B channel. In today's lesson, we'll be solving this problem. And in this question, they ask us to find the value of x. But before we start, there's one important theorem that I want you to remember. A theorem called exterior angle of a triangle. So let us consider this diagram. Exterior angle theorem of a triangle states that this exterior angle, which is C, that is equal to the sum of these two interior angles, A and B. So mathematically, the theorem says A plus B equal to C. So we are going to use this concept in this problem. If you consider this diagram, you will see that this is our triangle, and this angle is exterior angle for this triangle and is equal to the sum of 50 degree and x. So we can say x plus 50 degree equal to 65 degree. So let us transpose 50 degree to the right hand side, and the positive sign will change to negative. So x equal to 65 degree minus 50 degree. So our x equal to 65 degree minus 50 degree will give us 15 degree. 15 degree. So our correct answer is option A. If you find this lesson helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to the Teacher B channel. Thank you.